Good morning, children. Let's continue our fourth lesson, that is different landforms in the world. In that we will continue the second lesson, that is Saudi Arabia, the land of the hot sun. The kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay, this is a Saudi Arabia. Okay, which is bordered by Jordan on the northwest, Iraq on the north, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar on the east, and Oman also in the east, Yemen on the south, and Red Sea on the west, and the Persian Gulf on the east. Then it is also known as a land of two holy mosques, that is Mecca and Medina, the holiest places for the Muslim. Okay, it is the birthplace of Islam. The Islam has started from that place only, that is Mecca and Medina. And the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Now let's see in detail about the Saudi Arabia. It is the largest peninsula in the world. Saudi Arabia is the largest peninsula in the world. Peninsula means three sides water and one side land. Okay, land. Let us see how is the land there. Land is very rocky with barren land. Barren land means you cannot grow anything. Nothing is grown in a sandy desert. That is a full desert it is. Okay, nothing is grown. Okay. It is having a plateau all over it. Okay. Then the climate. The climate is very hot and with very little rainfall. Whenever the land, it's very hot throughout the day. Nights are little cooler. Dust storms are very common. Everywhere throughout the season, throughout the year, you see the dust storms. And the dust storms always shift from one place to another and change the surface of the desert. Now vegetation. Vegetation means there is very little vegetation. Only cactus trees are mostly grown there. And the other trees like date palms and vegetables are grown near oasis. Oasis is a place where a small amount of water with their amount of water, when it rains it gets collected. From inside some water comes and it like a pond it forms, and there the farmers go and settle and they grow different vegetables. Okay. Then people, wildlife, gazelles. Gazelles means antelopes here. See the picture. Antelopes. These are gazelles, called gazelles. Gazelles, baboons, hyenas and wolves are, foxes are common. But the most common animal is a camel. It is called the sheep of the deserts. And they are used, camels are used mostly to transport goods from one place to another. Okay. Then snakes and lizards are also found here in the desert. Okay, people. 75% of the people are nomads. Okay, this 25% live around the oasis and the cities. Okay, nomads are called the Bedouins. Okay, they move always in caravans, leads a very hard life. Caravan means group of people with their camels, animals, they carry all the things. They move in groups and they lead a very hard life. Men wear thawab, and that is a loose long gown, and a gutra, a head cover called the gutra, and the long white gown is called a thawab. And women wear burqa and a veil covering their face, black color loose thing from covering from top to bottom. Okay, that is called a veil and burqa. Now cities. There are cities like Riyadh, Mecca, Jeddah, Hufuf and Buraida are the different cities here. Now natural resources and industries. It is a leading producer of petroleum. 90% or more than 90% of the oil is exported to different countries, and 75% of the revenue from the petroleums are run by the government offices, which accounts for 75% of the 90% of oil is exported, which accounts for 75% of the government revenue. The main industries are fertilizers, petroleum, cement and steel. Sea water is converted into drinking water by desalination. Because of the science and technology, sea water is converted into drinking water by desalination plant. That is, it separates salts and water. This water used for drinking, cooking and all other purposes. Okay. And then holy cities. Holy cities. Mecca and Medina are the holy cities of the Muslims in the world. Mecca is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. Saudi Arabia is blessed with the two cities. All the Muslims attempt pilgrimage to these two cities at least once in their lifetime. And this holy pilgrimage to Mecca is known as Hajj. Okay, while offering namaz, it is said that Muslims should face to the location of Mecca. For Indians, Mecca is located in the west. Because of the effort of government and the people, today the sandy desert has changed a lot. Okay, today you will see many instead of caravans, people are settling in one places. Instead of camels, they are using cars to move from one place to another. Today you see the high skyscrapers there and many industries, and it is a very developed country now. Okay, thank you children.